Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we are going to learn how to add our Pakistani rupees. Let's count together and find out how much money we have. Example number 1 में देखिए. Here we have 2 rupees coin, 2 rupees coins and 1 rupees. Let's add them. 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5 rupees. Now look, we have 5 rupees and another 5 rupees. Let's add them. 5 plus 5 is equal 10 rupees. Say it with me. 5 plus 5 is equal 10 rupees. Next one is 10 rupees plus 10 rupees is equal 20 rupees. 10 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 20 rupees equals 50 rupees. Say it with me. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 is equal 50. Look at the second activity on page number 4. Write the amount of the currency. First one is 20 rupees. So write the number 20. Second one is the coin of 5 rupees. So write the number 5. Last one is the number 2 rupees coin. So write the number